Hello and welcome to Join Momentum's Launch and Learn podcast. I'm Rukaiyyah, a Scrum Master and Delivery Lead at Join Momentum, and today we will be exploring the world of Agile practices and how to harness them for success in your projects and teams. We will be focusing on a critical aspect of Agile project management, that is overcoming obstacles using Scrum. Whether you're a seasoned Scrum Master or new to a seasoned Scrum Master or an Agile project manager, or you're new to the Agile world, understanding how to effectively remove impediments is key to driving your projects forward. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of turning your obstacles into opportunities. First off, I would like to start with understanding Scrum and its focus on removing obstacles. So let's set the stage by understanding what Scrum is and why it specifically focuses on removing obstacles. Scrum is an Agile framework that helps teams work together to develop, deliver, and sustain complex projects. One of the core roles in this framework is that of the Scrum Master, whose primary job is not just to facilitate the Scrum ceremonies, but to act as a problem solver, removing any impediments that hinder team progress. I won't be focusing mainly on the role of the Scrum Master. I'll be talking about anybody heading an Agile project. So what is an obstacle or impediment in Scrum? An obstacle or impediment in Scrum could be anything from a technical hurdle, a lack of resources, to external organizational policies. So the project head or the Scrum Master's ability to be able to quickly and effectively remove these impediments directly impacts the velocity and success of the project. So the common obstacles that we find in teams, understanding these can help one anticipate and strategize effectively. So the first one will be lack of clear goals. Teams may struggle when they don't have a clear vision or goal for the project. One of the foundational principles of Scrum is having a clear vision and well-defined goals. In this, the product owner plays a crucial role in this by creating and maintaining the product backlog, which is a prioritized list of tasks and features that need to be completed. So here are some tips to ensure your team has clear goals and vision. So the product vision statement, that is, you create a concise product vision statement that outlines the purpose and goals of the project. This should be communicated clearly to all team members. Then the next one will be product backlog prioritization. That will be regularly reviewing and prioritizing the product backlog to ensure that the most valuable tasks are addressed first. The third one will be your sprint goals. At the beginning of each sprint, define specific sprint goals that align with the overall product vision. This keeps the team focused and aligned. Regular reviews. Conduct regular reviews and retrospectives to assess progress towards the goals and make necessary adjustments. By maintaining a clear vision, and well-defined goals, you can ensure that your team stays focused and motivated, reducing the likelihood of obstacles related to ambiguity and misalignment. Okay, so the next one I'll be talking about is poor communication. Miscommunication can lead to misunderstanding and misaligned efforts. Communication is key in any agile team, and Scrum provides several ceremonies and tools to facilitate effective communication and collaboration. So let's explore these. From daily stand ups, these short daily meetings help keep everyone on the same page. Team members share what they did yesterday, what they plan to do today, and any obstacles they're facing, which most times we call blockers. Sprint planning meetings. These meetings ensure that everyone understands the task for the upcoming sprint and agrees on the priorities. Sprint reviews. At the end of each sprint, the team demonstrates the completed work to stakeholders. This fosters transparency and feedback. Sprint retros. These meetings provide an opportunity for the team to reflect on the sprints in general, discuss what went well, what didn't, and how they could improve in the next sprint. Then collaboration tools. We should utilize collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, Jira, Confluence to keep communication channels open and information accessible. So effective communication and collaboration reduces misunderstandings and ensure that obstacles are identified and addressed promptly. So another obstacle could be resistance to change. Team members or stakeholders may be resistant to adopting new ways of working. So resistance to change is a common obstacle in agile transformations. People are often comfortable with their existing processes and may be hesitant to adopt new methodologies. So here are some tips to help manage resistance to change. So education and training. Provide comprehensive training on agile practices and its benefits, the different agile methodologies also. Educate team members and stakeholders about how agile can improve their workflow and outcomes. Leadership support. Secure buy-in from leadership. When leaders actively support and advocate for agile practices, it encourages the rest of the team to follow suit. Gradual implementation. Implement changes gradually rather than all at once. This allows team members to adapt at a manageable pace. Feedback loop. Create a feedback loop where team members can express their concerns and suggestions. Actively listen and address this feedback. Showcase success stories. So you highlight successful agile projects within the organization to demonstrate the benefits of the new methodology. By managing resistance effectively, one can create a smoother transition to agile methodologies like Scrum and ensure greater acceptance and participation from your team. So another obstacle could be resource constraints. Limited resources can slow down progress and create bottlenecks. Another one would be technical debt. Accumulating technical debt can make it difficult to implement new features and or maintain the product. So let's talk about how resource constraint and technical debts are significant obstacles that can impede progress. Scrum provides strategies to manage these challenges. Here's how. Resource planning. During sprint planning, you ensure that tasks are assigned based on the available resources and their capacities. This would avoid overcommitting. Cross-functional teams. Build cross-functional teams that can handle various aspects of the project, reducing dependency on specific resources. Technical debt management. Allocate time in each sprint to address technical debt. This prevents it from accumulating and becoming unmanageable. Continuous improvement. Implement practices like code reviews and automated testing to maintain code quality and reduce the likelihood of incurring technical debt. By effectively managing resources and technical debt, you can maintain a steady pace of progress and reduce the impact of these obstacles on your project. Okay, so I'll also be talking about scope creep. That is, uncontrolled changes to the project scope can derail progress and lead to missed deadlines. Scope creep, or the uncontrolled expansion of the project scope, can derail even the most well-planned projects. Scrum provides mechanisms to prevent and manage scope creep. Let's see how we can handle that. Okay, so defined scope. This will be clearly defining the project scope and objective at the outset. From the beginning, this should be defined. Ensure that all stakeholders agree on this. Change control process. Then implementing a change control process to evaluate and approve any changes to the project scope. This ensures that only necessary and valuable changes are made. Sprint boundaries. Use sprints to create natural boundaries for work. Any changes or additions to the scope can be considered for future sprints rather than disrupting the current one. Stakeholder engagement. Engage stakeholders. Regularly keep them informed and manage their expectation. This helps prevent ad hoc changes. By controlling scope creep, you can ensure that your project stays on track and your team remains focused on delivering value. Each of these obstacles require specific strategies to overcome. Like I mentioned, improving communication might involve setting up more structured daily stand-ups or retros, while resolving technical blockers might require liaising with other departments to improve process integration. So I will go into strategies for Agile project heads or Scrum Masters to remove obstacle. So as a Scrum Master, do you ask yourself, how do you go about removing these obstacles? It starts with identification. During your daily stand-up meetings, listen actively for any signs of frustration or blockers affecting your team's progress. Once identified, categorize these impediments based on their urgency and impact. This helps in prioritizing which obstacles need immediate attention. So I will be also talking about effective techniques in removing obstacles. Once you've identified the obstacles, what are the next steps? The next step is to tackle them head on. So here are some effective techniques that can be used to remove these impediments. But before I get into this, I will pause for a quick commercial break and I'll be right back. Thank you.
Welcome to Join Momentum, where we're not just a company, but a community of digital innovators. At Join Momentum, our mission is simple yet powerful: to accelerate digital talents and business productivity through practical work experiences, trainee internships, and talent placement. We believe in the transformative power of hands-on experience and mentorship, so all our associates learn by doing, not just theories. Through these efforts, we build innovative products and solutions that address user needs and create value for our candidates, clients, and stakeholders. You can partner with us in our mission to accelerate digital talents and increase business productivity by working with us, hiring our talents, or investing in us. This is Join Momentum.
Are you an expert in your field, or do you provide professional services and consultation? Do you have knowledge that someone would be willing to pay for? Do you know how to monetize that knowledge and turn it into a sustainable online business? You're not alone. Many professionals find it challenging to create a profitable online business around their expertise. But now, there's a solution. Subscribe to the Customer Skills Consultation app waitlist and download the Knowledge Monetization Toolkit, packed with practical strategies and real-world examples that will help you monetize your skills, knowledge, and create a sustainable online income. Whether you're a coach, consultant, author, speaker, teacher, or any other type of expert, this ebook will give you the tools and guidance you need to succeed. Don't wait any longer to monetize your knowledge. Join our waitlist now and take the first step towards creating a sustainable online income. Visit www.cashmyskills.com.
Unlock your potential with Growth Academy. Whether you're looking to advance in product management, data science, or marketing, our top-rated courses are designed to help you succeed. Learn from industry experts through interactive lessons, real-world simulations, and practical projects. Join a global community of learners and earn recognized certifications that can boost your career. Enroll now and start your journey with Growth Academy.
Welcome back from that break. Just before we went on that break, I was about to get into effective techniques for removing obstacles. My name is Rukaiyyah, and I'm Scrum Master Delivery Lead at Join Momentum. Okay, so let's get right into it. So once obstacles have been identified, the next steps will be to tackle them head on. So here are some effective techniques that can be used to remove these impediments. So, like I mentioned earlier, prioritize the impediments. Not all obstacles are created equal. Assess which ones are posing the most significant risk to your sprint goals and, and tackle those first. Collaborate to find solutions. Engage with your team to brainstorm solutions. Collective problem solving not only empowers the team, but often leads to more innovative and effective resolutions. Escalate where necessary. Some issues will be beyond the team's control and may require intervention from higher up in the organization. Know when to escalate the problem to stakeholders or other departments. Adjust processes if needed. Sometimes the obstacle is a symptom of a flawed process. Be willing to adapt or overhaul workflows to better suit the team's needs. Educate and advocate. Often, obstacles arise from external misunderstanding of the agile process. So, you need to educate stakeholders and other departments about how agile works and why certain resources or changes are necessary. Removing obstacles is not just about finding quick fixes, but about fostering an environment where the team can consistently perform at their best. Another effective method is direct intervention, when you might need to step in to address interpersonal conflicts or misunderstandings within the team. Another one is facilitation, where you could arrange for additional training tools that the team may require to move forward. Often, the solution involves advocacy, representing your team's need to higher management to push for necessary organizational changes or resource allocation. Let's also not forget the power of empowerment. Sometimes the best way to remove an obstacle is to empower your team to come up with their own solutions. This not only resolves the issues, but strengthens the team's problem solving skills over time. Okay, so let's just like talk about some examples, like a case study of overcoming obstacles in Scrum. So let's bring this into context, like our discussion into context with a couple of examples. Okay, so my first example is we have like a team in a tech startup that is struggling with delayed product releases due to recurring software bugs. Okay, so the team lead has come up with automated testing tools, and a series of workshops is facilitated on test-driven development. This will not only help in early detection of bugs, but also align the team towards a more proactive approach to quality assurance. In another case, another team within a financial corporation is facing delays due to stringent compliance checks. So the head of this team will work with the compliance and legal team departments to streamline the approval processes, specifically for the agile teams. Significantly, this will reduce the wait times and improve the team's sprint completion rate. I would like to discuss tips and tricks for Scrum Masters or Agile project managers. So to wrap up our session, here are some quick tips to effectively remove obstacles. Be proactive. Don't wait for problems to escalate. Address them as soon as they arise. Foster open communication. Create a safe environment where team members feel comfortable voicing concerns. Stay organized and keep a log of all identified impediments and actions taken to resolve them. This not only helps in tracking progress, but also in future planning. This is where your it could be the Microsoft Planner or Jira, where where the tool comes in that anybody can have access to and will see what is happening with the team. Stay organized. Keep a log of all identified impediments and actions taken to resolve them. So collaborate. Work closely with other Scrum Masters and Agile coaches to share insights and strategies. Keep learning. Stay updated on new Agile tools and techniques that can help streamline processes and remove impediments more effectively. Remember, every obstacle is an opportunity to refine and improve your approach. Embrace challenges as part of the journey and use them to foster a resilient and high performing team. That will be all for today on Join Momentum's Launch and Learn. I hope you found this discussion on overcoming obstacles using Scrum helpful and that you are now better equipped to tackle impediments in your projects. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave us a review. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep adapting, keep improving, and keep moving forward. I'm Rukaiyyah, and this has been Join Momentum's Launch and Learn. Stay agile, everyone. Bye.
Next episode on Join Momentum Launch and Learn podcast.
Welcome to Join Momentum, where we're not just a company, but a community of digital innovators. At Join Momentum, our mission is simple yet powerful: to accelerate digital talents and business productivity through practical work experiences, trainee internships, and talent placement. We believe in the transformative power of hands-on experience and mentorship, so all our associates learn by doing, not just theories. Through these efforts, we build innovative products and solutions that address user needs and create value for our candidates, clients, and stakeholders. You can partner with us in our mission to accelerate digital talents and increase business productivity by working with us, hiring our talents, or investing in us. This is Join Momentum.
Unlock your potential with Growth Academy. Whether you're looking to advance in product management, data science, or marketing, our top-rated courses are designed to help you succeed. Learn from industry experts through interactive lessons, real-world simulations, and practical projects. Join a global community of learners and earn recognized certifications that can boost your career. Enroll now and start your journey with Growth Academy.
Expert in your field, or do you provide professional services and consultation? Do you have knowledge that someone would be willing to pay for? Do you know how to monetize that knowledge and turn it into a sustainable online business? You're not alone. Many professionals find it challenging to create a profitable online business around their expertise. But now, there's a solution. Subscribe to the Customer Skills Consultation App waitlist and download the Knowledge Monetization Toolkit packed with practical strategies and real-world examples that will help you monetize your skills, knowledge, and create a sustainable online income. Whether you're a coach, consultant, author, speaker, teacher, or any other type of expert, this ebook will give you the tools and guidance you need to succeed. Don't wait any longer to monetize your knowledge. Join our waitlist now and take the first step towards creating a sustainable online income. Visit www.cashmyskills.com.